How to fix featured photos not showing on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to look up on a method on how we can fix the issue of your features photos not being showing on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So in order to do that, you just need to open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, just log in on the account, and here go to your profile. For that, just tap on the menu bar and tap on your profile. After that, one of the reasons may be because you have a professional account. So in order to turn it off, you may just tap on this three dot here, and you can see this turn professional mode off here. Just tap on turn professional mode off and tap on continue, and confirm the professional mode to be turned off successfully, and tap on close. After that, just refresh your account and you can see that your account has been set back to normal. And after that, when you edit your public details and after that, when you go to edit profile, you should be able to see the highlight option, which means your feature photos feature is back onto your Facebook account. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your issue of your featured photos not showing on Facebook. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.